Title: Akita Nutrition, Feeding Your Dog for Optimal Health. 150 words. Feeding your Akita the right kind of nutrition is essential for maintaining their optimal health. A well-balanced diet contributes to a longer lifespan, a shiny coat, and overall well-being. This article explores the nutritional requirements specific to Akita dogs and provides tips on how to make informed choices when selecting dog food for your beloved companion. We will discuss the macronutrients and essential vitamins and minerals that dogs need and address common dietary concerns for Akita dogs. 1. Understanding Akita dietary needs. 250 words. The Akita breed has specific dietary needs that differ from other dog breeds. As a large and powerful dog with a muscular build, Akitas have a higher protein requirement to support their growth, repair, and maintenance. Protein should make up a large portion of their diet and can be obtained from high-quality animal-based sources like chicken, beef, or fish. Additionally, Akitas require a moderate amount of fat in their diet for energy. Essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, promote a healthy skin and coat, reduce inflammation, and support joint health. Carbohydrates, in the form of fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains, provide Akitas with a sustainable source of energy and aid in digestion. However, it is important to note that Akitas can have sensitivities to certain grains like corn or wheat, which may cause digestive issues. Consult your veterinarian if you suspect your Akita has grain sensitivities or if you're unsure about their dietary needs. 2. Determining the right feeding portions. 250 words. Establishing the correct feeding portions for your Akita is crucial in preventing under or overfeeding. Factors such as age, weight, activity level, and metabolism should be considered when determining the appropriate amount of food. Divide your Akita's daily food portion into 2 or 3 equally spaced meals to prevent bloating, a condition that can be common in deep-chested breeds like Akitas. Monitor your dog's weight and adjust the portions accordingly to prevent obesity or malnutrition. Keep in mind that Akitas are prone to hip dysplasia, a condition that affects the joints. Maintaining their weight within a healthy range can help reduce stress on their joints and minimize the risk of joint problems. 3. Selecting the right dog food. 300 words. When it comes to choosing the best dog food for your Akita, opt for high-quality brands that meet the dietary needs of large and active breeds. Look for dog foods that list animal-based proteins as the primary ingredients and avoid fillers like corn, soy, or artificial additives. Consider the age of your Akita when selecting their food. Puppies have different nutritional requirements than adult dogs, and senior Akitas may benefit from specialized senior formulas. Consult your veterinarian for specific recommendations regarding your Akita's life stage. If your Akita has allergies or sensitivities, consider hypoallergenic or limited ingredient dog foods. These formulas are designed to minimize the risk of triggering food allergies or intolerance. Conclusion. 200 words. Providing optimal nutrition for your Akita is crucial for their overall health and well-being. Remember to choose high-quality dog food that meets their specific dietary needs, including a high protein content, moderate fat content, and appropriate carbohydrate sources. Carefully determine the right portions to avoid under or overfeeding, and monitor your dog's weight to prevent obesity or malnutrition. Regularly consult with your veterinarian for guidance on selecting the right dog food and addressing any specific dietary concerns your Akita may have. With the right nutrition, your Akita can enjoy a long, healthy, and